gotta move over a little bit.
I gotta go to the gym after this. Well, you can't even see me. Damn. The light.
Give me that ketchup.
Please.
Please, and thank
Where's
you.
your table manners,
For a
motherfucker?
bite your head. It's nothing even fucking here. I'll throw this shit
You have to use this. They used to have this at Chipotle. I shouldn't even be eating bacon. I'm Muslim.
All these pickles.
You heard me? You want this bacon? Or your burger?
Yeah, you don't want it?
I don't want no bacon.
You always talk about you Muslim, boy.
Assalamu alaikum. This shit clogged your arteries, bro. I'm not supposed to eat bacon.
You could have just got a regular chicken sandwich if that was okay.
Which is not going to waste. I'll just enhance your sandwich. Bend over and shut up. That's all you could do for me. Shut up. Bend
I
over.
had egg on my burger one time when we went to Jack Rabbit for my birthday, and I just been liking it.
We gotta go back there again. They had some good food. It's a good sandwich. Bite. You can be full off the third bite.
I can't really taste the egg. I like just watching this.
That shit bust. I ain't gonna lie, that shit smack.
Nobody buying?
Huh?
Nobody mind?
Trying to get me fat. I'm gonna take the biggest bite of mankind. Damn.
You dropped my egg, yeah.
Who's oozing?
You know how to taste it? I'll bite yours.
Yes.
I'll bite yours.
Thank you.
It's good. That burger.
My burger better.
I was about to say.
My burger is better.